Start.
We got angry people.
Start.
Okay. My boy, I am starting, my boy.
So get the still. Start.
Okay, I'll start.
Joe CBS.
Oh, alright. I'm crewmate. Oh
I
my
am
god, that guy has a turd.
crewmate.
Nuts. Okay, I gotta go take
Holy shit!
I gotta go fix some electricals.
I need to take a bunch of fucking showers.
Really?
Yeah. All my
Or,
tasks are in the shower.
oh, you're got to fix the shower and then take away the towels and put them back.
Fuck.
It's blue. Blue killed me. Ay, ay, ay. Blue killed me. Come on, so you must find my. Thank you, Toad. Toad found my body.
Here we go.
Nope.
What the fuck? Big poop.
Why did everyone? I just literally said, oh my god, that guy has a turd on his head. Oh my god, no. A black shit. Okay.
I'm a dog shit. I'm a dog shit.
Why? Because I'm a dog?
Yes, dog. Look, I'm your shit, Dave.
Bro, look, he said star.
Sure.
Shit. Nice cow. Like, nice.
I think I met nice cop.
Oh, wait. We gotta start at. Oh god, ready rock. Oh god, this guy's just got spammy. Laptop, oh my god. Alright, so I'm crewmate.
You're a crewmate?
Yes, I am.
Imposter!
Alright, don't kill me.
I won my point.
Alright, don't mind me. I'm just taking a shower.
Fuck you, Toad.
She killed Oh god, someone's messing with the lights. Again. Alright. Oh, never mind, the lights has been fixed.
Oh, I made Toad rage quit.
Wait, what?
Toad left.
Was that your teammate? Oh, wait, no. That's the one that's the person you killed, right?
Yup.
You killed Toad. Oh my god, that was sad. Oh shit, what's the... Alright. Medical or something. It was medical or something.
Oh, alright.
What's medical? Show me more. I want more. Medical. It was at medical. All green is sus on you. And sus on Luxcuff. Ready? Let's who should I vote?
No, green. No, he's cheating. He already has a friend. No. Wait, what's his name? Ready Rock. Ready Rock.
I bet. I'll vote for green since he's a cheating fuck.
Ready Rock. Bitch!
All thanks to me, bro.
Bitch! That's what you get from me, my teammate.
That was your teammate? Your teammate's white?
Yeah. Here's a pain in the ass.
A turd and a white turd.
Oh, wait. Oh, we all have turds.
The black turd and the white turd.
That's
Join
a little...
forces.
Go.
Imposter.
There's no way an hour should take this long. Crewmate.
I'm an imposter.
Ooh. Don't kill me, bitch.
Don't worry, I won't kill you. I'm not gonna kill you, okay? Okay, alright. Just be safe. My teammate is white.
In white. Beat the shit out of it.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go. Alright, so I'm gonna go turn the ship around.
Shit.
Don't mind me. Yeah, so just be safe. My teammate is white, so yeah. I think I think blue is something. Hall of Portraits. Idiot, you idiot left. Alright, so since you know it's me and white, who do you want to vote for?
Foxy fucking gamer.
Oh, I bet I can do that. I actually vote. Come on, white, vote.
What are you gonna?
If I swear to God, if he actually left.
You thought.
I was kind of sus. That was sus. Alright. If you see white running towards you, you better run, okay? I'm a happy motherfucker.
It's what I just saw.
Purple
White.
dead?
It's what's your teammate's name?
Purple died? Lux Log. And he's a white guy.
Looks long.
He's looks like was chasing me. What should I do? Should I vote for my teammate or should I just vote for myself?
Who's green? What's his name? Green.
I or L.
R.
Why? Why? You want me to vote him?
No, vote for my fucking teammate, bitch.
My teammate? No.
Fuck. Yeah.
Alright, fine. He's gonna hate me.
Fuck yeah, he is. I swear to God, you're gay if you vote me out, bitch. Oh, yeah, motherfucker.
I actually vote for myself. Yeah. I vote for my teammate. And I just realized two people voted you. It was like I can
No. We're gonna go fucking. Oh shit, I pushed the button.
Emergency?
Yes, I'm gonna run like hell. Oh shit, Dory. Dory, come here. Dory. Ah, he's right there! He's right there!
He's right there. He's right there.
Get that bitch. Get that fucking bitch. Oh shit, I'm right here! He gotta fucking kill me. He gotta.
What? You died? Where?
You fucking butt.
And he's blaming on I. Alright, bet. I love that idea. I love that idea. That is a genius idea. You are a great teammate. You're a wonderful teammate. Come on, boys. You know I have to go with my boy White. Let's go. Everyone voted on green. Oh, let's go. I was not the imposter. I was not the imposter.
Oh my God. Well, it's white bitch ass. It's white bitch ass.
I don't know, but all I'm saying that it's blue. It's blue. Hey, bro.
Fuck that bitch. Vote his dumb ass out.
Oh my god. Lumpy Salt looks. Looks long salt, looks long fit. Lumpy kite. Why is the only one that has to vote? So let's see if it's a tie. It's
Fuck no. Hell no, it's not that.
Cross your fingers, people. Cross your fingers.
Oh, no.
He was.
I deserve it, bitch. You fucking deserve it, bitch.
Yep, it's literally orange. I just saw them vented. Yep, and they won.
And do it, orange bitch ass.
And I was right that it was blue. The angry motherfucker.
Fuck you, boy. I'm glad you got put out.
The white turd and the black turd. They're now rivals once again. You were burning in the shower just like the scene from Psycho.
Oh, white bitches are going. Fuck! Fucking god. Good. What the fuck is
Here.
he?
The white turd is still alive. The lucky dust to heat is bump. The white shit is still alive. And the rough tank. Here we go, boys. Let's go, boys. Let's
vote
get
on
it,
white.
boys. Well, it depends if me or us. I'm roommate.
Let's see who I am. Imposter! With yellow.
Find him, bro.
I'll kill his ass. Where's everybody? Everybody's here.
I'm in the armory room.
Wait, where's that bitch at? Where's that white bitch? Where's that white bitch?
Alright, so hi Blue. How you doing, Blue? Hi Green. Oh hi Orange.
Well, yellow. You. Oh hell yeah!
Wait,
white.
is Yellow your teammate?
Fuck yeah.
No!
Oh yeah, you're right. Get away from that.
I wasn't even an imposter.
Yeah.
Pick emergency meeting right now.
Hold on, I will kill it. Wait, who was the orange?
It was Orange, that motherfucker.
Wait, where's Orange at? Where is Orange?
I'm gonna find him, bro. I'm finding that motherfucker. Oh, I see him. He's in the he's in the meeting room. Wait,
Fuck no.
I think. Oh, never mind. Yellow killed him. I'm proud. I'm proud.
Thank you, yellow.
I am proud. It feels like the imposters can hear us right now.
I know, right? Well, okay,
What
here.
kind of feels like?
Get that bitch!
Who do you kill?
Green.
Oh my god, he just killed the soldier.
Oh my god, I want to get imposter because I'm gonna kill white. I don't want to kill white though. Fuck!
Why are you still here? Oh wait, no. I'm not.
There. Move over there.
Nah, I'm not gonna go check there, bro.
It's green, by the way.
My white is.
It's me and green.
Oh my god, green vote for the body. Okay, alright, so green found the body.
Yeah, so it's me and green. And then up next, my next victim is orange. Just two for you. It's not the same
No,
guy,
wait.
orange.
Yeah, it's not the same guy.
Yeah, but I don't care. It's orange though.
And what about the new challenger, which is the brown turd?
He hasn't done shit to me yet. Unless he votes me out.
Oh, okay. Unless he votes you out, unless the brown turd votes you out, or okay. So basically, if anyone votes for you, you're gonna kill them, or vote
No,
for them as well.
no. It matters what they do to me. If they assume it's me, it's fucking them.
I guess that's on you. Okay, purple think it's me. What the?
I'm kill purple then. That's my new victim.
I thought your new victim was orange.
Oh yeah, they're both victims.
Speedrun me right now.
I killed everybody.
You killed everybody except me.
Yep, I killed white though. Fuck.
White.
I'm gonna kill him
White
till he
still lives.
I'm gonna kill him till he leaves. How about that? Bitch.
Oh gosh. Where the hell is Pinky at? Alright, so there's yellow.
Oh, hey, he's in the shower. Ah, yeah.
Wait, he did left?
Yeah, I saw it. Fuck you, what? Hey. Oh well.
Alright, Lucky, shut up about White.
Fuck you, White.
Daniel, shut up, he's gone. Get over it.
Oh, fuck.
Yes, I won. Yes, sir, B. Alright. I am done now. Okay, so I need to go to bed or else my mom's gonna get mad at me. So I'm gonna go leave the game.
Bruh. I'm fucking it.